However, that being said, I do see a trade opportunity on one of the altcoins, okay? And that altcoin I found on the Mango dashboard. That altcoin, guys, is LTC. Now, LTC is it's in a very special juncture right now, okay? LTC USDT is currently long on the weekly time frame. Notice how we're also seeing returns on this. So yeah, while it is long, we're seeing follow through on the bullish side. Notice how LTC BTC is up 62%. So against BTC, it is already rallying. It's been rallying now for 140 days. Okay. How about on the 4-day time frame? On the 4-day time frame, it's still neutral. How about the 2-day time frame? Okay, 2-day time frame is still short, but notice the returns here. While it is short, okay, it's giving us a bearish tilt here. Price actually rallied. Okay, it's been rallying now over the past 4 days, and that's why the returns are negative. How about the daily time frame? Daily time frame has flipped to neutral. How about the 12-hour time frame? 12-hour time frame is long. You're up by 3%. How about the 4-hour time frame? 4-hour time frame is also long. Now, LTC caught my eye, particularly because of an event that it has coming up this August. Okay, and that is a major event in its timeline, and that is the Litecoin Halving. Okay, this happens in 227 days. It's scheduled for August 17th, 2023. Now, just to give you guys some historic insight on Litecoin's last halving, which happened in 2019. Okay, August 2019. This was right here. Let me just go ahead and find it for you guys. Okay, I believe it was right here. June, July, August. Yeah, let's go ahead and mark that out with a vertical line. Notice how price rallied 1 year into the halving. Okay, so that happened in August 2019, and price started rallying at around Jan 2019. So once again, we're at the same stage for Litecoin. Okay, it's Jan 2023. The halving happens in August 2023. Okay, so it's the same setup once again. And as far as the duration is concerned, once again, just like Bitcoin, Litecoin's halving also happens once every 4 years. Okay, now another thing that's alluding to a good trade setup on Litecoin right now is that now if I take you guys on over to the monthly time frame, note that along with a weekly candle, we've also begun a monthly candle. And we're currently sitting on monthly support. Okay, monthly support that comes in at around $68.11. Okay, this is it right here. This is going to be the trade setup. You need to understand we've penetrated a brand new range of price action on the monthly time frame, and this range alone, okay, from $68 going all the way up to the next region of resistance, which only comes in at $109. This is a good 60% to the upside. Okay, as far as these levels on the weekly is concerned, you're going to see a bit of playthrough on here as well. Okay, we can go ahead and mark out a midpoint on this. Okay, now even if price doesn't get all the way up to 108 and you just want to take the next range play, okay, this is a very good sort of trade setup. I personally will be taking this. I'll tell you where my bid is going to be at. Okay, now this range right here from 68 to, overhead resistance, midpoint at around 86, that's going to be a good 27% to the upside. Also, once again, a very neat swing trade to be had, considering the current prevailing volatility in the market. Now, as far as the bid is concerned for LTC, I'll be actually putting on my Ichimoku cloud, and I'll try and bid the Tenkin 21 on the weekly time frame. Okay, I know I'm getting a bit greedy there, but hey, you know what? We're still in a bear market, so I'm a bit optimistic on actually catching greedy bids. Okay, so now this Tenkin 21 actually comes in at around $66.35. If I can nail that bid, nothing like it. What I personally will be looking for is to catch a bid on the retest of the Tenkin 21, but I want to see the weekly close over $68.11. So what I personally am looking for, okay, is a wick into 21 Tenkin and then close over 68.11. Okay, why is that? Because then it becomes a very easy trade to manage. Just in case we actually break 68.11, we break that 21 EMA on the Tenkin to the downside, I know that I'm wrong very fast, and I can either take a minimal loss, or hell, I can even maybe come out in a profit if price actually gives me a retest of that region of support, now turned into overhead resistance. Okay, if we break the 21, then I can expect lower from there. Okay, I don't know why my arrows are so nasty, but yeah, that is going to be the play for me. I will be placing my bid on the BitGet exchange. For those of you looking to try out a new exchange, check out BitGet. I have a link in the description below where you can get some $8,000 in deposit bonuses as well as discounts on your trading fees. Now, for those of you who are still a bit skeptical on using centralized exchanges, I've looked into this. I believe BitGet does have proof of reserves up for their customers. However, with that said, please do account for counterparty risk. Now, the way I deal with this is that I only have enough money on the exchange to use as margin, and the rest I take on leverage to put on my respective position. Okay, because just in case the exchange goes down, yes, okay, I lose my margin, but the exchange loses as well. And that's how I use margin, guys. That's how I trade using leverage. I'm not using leverage to get that big bat position that's going to get me the big bucks, but instead I use it as a risk management tool. Okay, just in case the exchange goes down. I don't have all my eggs in one basket. All right, so that's how I personally use leverage. That's how I will implore you to use leverage as well. So yeah, this is all I have for you for today's video. Now, once again, I'll be keeping a log of all the tea I go through in all my videos. That way I'm always updating you guys on the different technicals that I see on the chart. However, if I do miss something, let me know in the comment section below, of course. But yeah, this is all I have for you for today. You have my update on Bitcoin. There's a lot happening on that chart, but we want that volatility to start picking up. As far as trade opportunities are concerned, I'm going to ask you guys to look elsewhere. I personally am looking at LTC. I'll be keeping my eyes out on this, and I'll be updating you on the trade if it does trigger. Okay, if I get my bid in, I'll be keeping you guys updated. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next update. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, guys.